Hi everyone, welcome to your bootcamp. So today I want to walk you through how to use the bootcamp platform. So let's get started. Now, if you register on Mastering Backend and then you click on bootcamps, you're going to be landed on the bootcamp platform. So here you can click on the bootcamp that you joined. For now, I'm going to click on AI Engineering Bootcamp since I am a member of this particular bootcamp. So I'll click on Access Bootcamp, and here I'll be greeted with a summary of my progress. But if you're just getting started, nothing is going to show, and of course you're going to see Access Bootcamp right here. So click on Access Bootcamp, and here we are going to take you directly to your particular cohort. So if you are here, you're definitely going to start from the week 1, and it is important that you always complete each week before you move to the next week. All right, so since we are here already, I will click on continue or start. If you're just getting started, it's going to be start, but anyone is okay. So just click on continue here. And then here, you're going to see a quick description of that particular lesson. So sometimes it could be an assignment or a task or a description telling you that this will be a live class or something else. So whatever it is, once you're done with it, click on mark as complete. So as you can see, this one is already marked as complete. And then you move to the next one, and then you also mark it as complete. And I have already done that, so I'll move to this one that is not marked as completed. So I'll click on this, and once I go through this, I'll mark it as complete. So it is important that you always mark them as complete. So for this last one, you always click on claim rewards to be able to access your points and also move to the next week. So I'll click on this, and here I can start the next week immediately, or if I'm feeling generous, I can share this bootcamp on social media like Twitter, LinkedIn, or copy the link to share with my friends. So here you see the number of points that you've earned for that week, the lessons you've completed, and your progress so far. So I'll click on start next week. So I'll click on this, and it's definitely going to start the next week. So sometimes you might start from a lesson that is not the first one, so it's always important that you make sure that you start from the first one. So you click on this, and then you click on mark as complete, and you move forward again, mark as complete. You did the same thing. Make sure that you always read the review so that you know exactly what the instruction is, and then you mark as complete, and you continue doing so until you get to the last one. So on the last one again, you click on claim rewards, and this is going to give you another summary. And of course, make sure to share it on your socials, and then you start the next week. All right, so this is how you continue to mark each week as complete. So always make sure that you complete each week before you move to the next week. I will send in more videos or more instructions on how to access the bootcamp and go through it successfully. So if you have any question, please contact us on any of our emails, and we are going to respond to you immediately. Thank you very much for joining the bootcamp, and I will see you in class.